Hey man,
Ah, uh,
what is your religion? Christian, Muslim, or Hinduism?
Hinduism.
What?
Uh, oh, Christianity.
Christian.
Mm, mm. He said that she's fine.
Who is she?
Which what?
Beside you.
No one is here.
Hey, don't lie to me. Tell me, man. Is she your sister?
Yes.
Oh God. What is your sister doing?
She's busy writing homework.
Oh, show me your sister.
Mm.
I want to see her.
Yes.
Show me a little.
And,
Please.
she said that she don't want.
Don't whisper. I'm watching everything. What does your sister do?
She is not yet employed. But
Employed?
no, I'm not quite.
So?
She is not yet employed, but she is done with her education, but
Higher
she doesn't work.
Higher educated.
Hmm?
Higher educated, your sister.
Yes.
Oh. I'm higher educated, but I couldn't study.
Why?
I was not a problem, that's why.
Okay. I understand. I have understood.
Oh.